everyone, and especially to you for watching this video. Okay, why the cabinet and the wardrobe is here is because I still want to do a few changes I saw afterwards. Okay, her clothes, I just throw her clothes into the cupboard. So yeah, it's this way, but I want to use this little silver beads I got. I'm going to use that for handles on all the drawers. I just think it will neaten everything off, and then I'm thinking of maybe I don't know what, but maybe put this racks in here on the top shelf, or maybe in here. And I almost think I'm going to put it in here by the wardrobe. And then I've got this one of this drawers I've got left, so I'm just going to put it here on top. So there's another drawer. I'm not going to worry about it on top of that. And I'm going to put magnets in the doors because the doors don't want to close properly. So I'm going to put this little iron thing in the door, but you will see. And then I'm going to put magnets there because here the cupboards is actually too long, drawers is too long, so I'm gonna have to make it a bit shorter. I actually wanted to put this drawers in there, but I totally forgot about it. So it looks nice, and it is small, and it can open, and it's deep, so it would have fit here by the study table. But no, yeah, I forgot about it. Maybe I will use another place in the room, maybe in another place or house or whatever, but I'm definitely going to use that. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to put a little piece of wood just to make more space here, here for the magnet to sit on. So I'm going to use that. But, and oh yeah, I still want to use this, but it won't fit in the study table shelf unit, and it won't fit in the cupboard. So I was thinking I'm still going to make it nice, and I'm going to just put it on top of the cupboard so it can stand there as extra storage on top of the cabinet. And I'm still going to use this paper here I've got here for the heart, because it's like a, I don't know if you can see, it's glittery, or not glittery, it's shiny. But I'm going to put that inside, no, for the hearts here in the front. And then I've got this scrapbook paper. I'm going to use the butterflies, and I'm going to put that in the bottom of the drawers, because this girl likes butterflies as well. She loves butterflies. So yeah, that is it. But before I carry on with this, I want to show you something, and it was totally a disaster happened over this weekend. Me and my husband wasn't at home, so I came back to a good surprise. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see here, there's nothing on the wall because my mirror fell down from the wall, and it shattered in pieces. And my heart is actually very sore about this mirror, because it was my mother-in-law's mirror. So it's a very old and a very heavy mirror. So I didn't know, but I was thinking on putting a plastic hook here on top for this heavy mirror. So yeah, the hook broke, and then my mirror broke. But my wall is not going to be empty, because here my children gave me for Christmas this whole portrait thing of their family with the newest edition. And so I'm going to use that, because of all the pinks in there, I thought it was going to fit in my hobby room where I'm all the time, because all the colors just fit perfectly. So I'm going to put that in place of where the mirror was. It's luckily very light, so I'm going to have to take that nail out there and put another one in and see if that's going to work. So yeah, let's get started. But I didn't even pick up this mirror yet because I'm afraid of how it would look on the other side. But yeah, here we go. This is very hard so, and here's Miss Inspector. She's also looking what happened here. So I don't know if it's now 7 years bad luck for this room or 7 years bad luck for me, if you believe in mirrors broken. But yeah, let me start clean up here. So, so now that that mess is cleaned up and it's all sorted, I can carry on with this. Okay, so oh yeah, something I saw afterwards, there was 2 layers of that scrapbooking paper. I didn't see that. And then in the back of the other one was this little flowers story thing. So I think I'm rather going to use that for on the inside of this box. It's just like, looks like me that something like that would fit in there better than this butterfly. So at least this is behind this zigzag story, so I don't mind about that. So if I want to use that butterflies, I still can. So yeah, I'm going to use that. But that's not first now. I think I must first start by my cupboard. So I'm going to just take this out of the way. Okay, I put this chain here so it can look like a belt around the dress type of thing. I just want these doors to open more because I don't want to. So I think first I'm just going to put these things on the drawers. So I'm gonna eyeball it